Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A51 and today I would like to show you how you can enter vibration settings on this device. Firstly, go into settings. Now you need to click on sounds and vibration and over here click on vibrate. This way you will mute your device completely, and leave only vibrations. You can also click on sound and tap on the switcher next to vibratory ringing to enable or disable vibrations for incoming calls. After that, scroll down, tap on call vibration patterns and select one of the patterns for your incoming calls. You can do the same for your notifications by tapping on notification vibration pattern. After that, click on vibration intensity and adjust intensity of touch vibrations by swiping left or right. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!